Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I made over $30,000 in 1 month for the month of June. And I've actually got my iPhone right here. I'm going to break everything down step by step. I've actually got a 3-step process I'm going to show you on how I created this type of income. Now, disclaimer, this is no guarantee. I'm going to outline the steps that I personally used to yield this result. That's no guarantee that you're actually going to take this information, implement it, and get similar results. So with that being said, if you're brand new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because right now I'm uploading videos on a daily basis teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So go ahead, subscribe, and tick the bell icon, because you will be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. So if you're excited for this video, go ahead and hit me with a like. Now let's go ahead and get started. So how did I actually generate $30,000 in profit, by the way, in 1 single month? Well, I'm gonna walk you through this 3-step process, and we're gonna start here with number 1, which is the obvious. I've been uploading daily content on my YouTube channel every single day without fail. Actually, you know, there's been a couple times where I didn't upload, but at least I'm uploading between 5 and 6 times per week, okay? So the first thing that you wanna do is you wanna identify what market am I, somewhat interested in, what market am I passionate about, what is something that I am an expert at up to this point. And you may think, you're not an expert, but the only thing that's standing in the way of you reaching your dreams is you realizing that you are an expert. The definition of an expert is just typically somebody that knows something more than the next person, right? If you can help somebody get to the next step, whether it's losing 5 pounds, whether it's helping them make their first dollar online, whether it's helping them build something, whether it's helping them improve their quality of life in some way, shape, or form, you are considered their expert. Okay, so you've got to identify first, what am I interested in? What am I good at? What am I passionate about? What would I be willing to do and not give up on if I was supposedly going to go in some sort of area of expertise? You've got to identify what that is, and you've got to understand that this is something that you're going to be building year after year. Okay, I find often people jump online. They want to start an online business. They start uploading videos, and before you know it, after a few days, they quit. They're like, Josh, I'm not getting the results that I want, so I'm going to quit. Number one, they're in the business for the wrong reason. Okay, if you're just in this for the money, you're not going to make a whole lot of money, or you're not going to make money at all. You're setting this expectation for money, and people can sense when you're shooting your videos, when you're putting out your content, that you're in it for the money, and you're not in it to actually help people. Okay, you got to put people over profits. If you do that and you do it strategically, then people will end up buying from you in the long run. You got to make sure that you're giving twice as much value as what you ask for monetarily in return. Okay, so that's step number 1. Whatever niche, whatever market you decide to go into, pick a specific niche. Okay, solve a specific problem, and then post consistent daily content around the different problems within that specific space. So for example, if I'm going into the weight loss industry or the muscle building industry, what could I think of? What are all the problems that people are having within those specific separate industries? Is it the fact that they're not eating right? Is it that they start to lose weight and then they go back on kind of this yo-yo diet, this train of losing weight and then gaining weight and then losing weight and then gaining weight? What are the specific problems, and how can you create minor, small little videos that help solve those specific problems? So that's step number 1. Put out daily content, whether your platform's YouTube like mine, or it's Instagram, or it's Facebook, or it's blogging. Pick your poison, go after it, experiment with it, find out if it's a fit for you, and if it's not, then pick a different platform. Try different platforms. Your first few months of being an entrepreneur is going to be the tasting phase. Okay, you're going to try a lot of things. You're going to fail at a lot of things. You're going to figure out more about yourself, what your strengths and weaknesses are. Once you figure that out, now you're going to have a clear path to success. And the first few years of me building a business online, I failed because I was trying, paid advertising. I was trying Google AdWords. I was trying SEO. I was trying forum marketing. I was trying, eBay, drop shipping. I was doing a bunch of different things and tasting a lot of different things to find out, what am I good at? What are my strengths? What are my weaknesses? And a lot of people aren't willing to find that out because they're afraid of failure. You've got to be okay with failing. You've got to fail quickly. Money likes speed. So if you fail fast, you're going to succeed even quicker. Okay, so I want you to face the facts. Out of every 10 times that you try something, you're probably going to fail. Try something new, you're probably going to fail 8 or 9 times, and you're going to win once. But when you win, it's going to be a home run. You're going to be able to scale that campaign to the next level. You're going to find a duplicatable, strategy, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Facebook ads, whether it's Instagram. Okay, so you're going to get to a point where once you find what works, you're just going to do more and more and more of that. Okay, so that's step number 1. Step number 2 is you want to start monetizing with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is the idea of selling other people's products and earning a commission off of it. The great thing about affiliate marketing, you don't have to worry about overhead. You don't have to worry about customer service. You don't have to create the sales material. You don't have to create, learn copywriting and all these complex, technical things. All you need to do is focus on step 1, building that audience. And once you build that audience, you can add affiliate links to the description of your videos, within your Facebook posts, in your emails, in your Instagram, and, on each and every social media platform. Okay, so what you can do is you can go to places like clickbank.com. I've got tons of tutorials that I'll link either up here in the card or the description below. And you can, go to those and learn a little bit more about how to pick a product, what to look for when you're picking a product, and even more about what market to go into. So there's different marketplaces, just like Amazon, that house products that you can sell, and you can even become an affiliate of Amazon products. But I like digital products because they pay higher commissions. There's literally little to no overhead because it's instantly delivered to somebody's computer. And so there's so many good things about promoting digital products versus physical products. Now, to get your feet wet, you can pick either. The idea is to, again, find out what it is that you resonate with most. Maybe you are into mountain biking and you'd rather promote physical products. That's okay. You want to go for what it is that you're passionate about. Don't chase the money. Okay, so many people are just trying to chase the money, and they start something and they don't like it, and so they end up quitting and spinning their wheels. Okay, so number 2 is to leverage affiliate marketing. You can also go to google.com and type in affiliate marketplaces, again, you'll see clickbank.com, you'll see Commission Junction, you might see Max Bounty, if that still exists, Peerfly. Just type in affiliate marketplaces, and there's tons of them out there that you can apply for, and you'll get approved by a large percentage of them. So that's step number 2. And then step number 3 is to also sell your own products. Okay, so not only am I uploading content daily, but I'm promoting affiliate products, and I'm also promoting my own products. The great thing about promoting your own products, after you get used to affiliate marketing, you start making sales, you make your first 6 figures or multiple 6 figures. Heck, some people wait until they make 7 figures before they start leveraging, their own products. But I'm at a point where I understand copywriting, I understand how to build sales funnels, and I also like to promote my own stuff because I don't have to worry about waiting when, an affiliate product owner or, a product owner is going to pay me out. I don't have to worry about waiting for that. I don't have to buy into their vision and what they want. I can create my own vision. I can keep 100% of the money. So there's a lot of pros to building your own product, but I wouldn't recommend doing it and promoting your own product until you're at a place where you really know the game and you understand it and you can take that type of risk. So leveraging these 3 separate income streams, and you want to have multiple income streams because I'm seeing so many of my friends, especially in the corporate world, that are losing their jobs. They're getting laid off because they're being replaced by robots, and they're being replaced by people in other countries for a lower pay rate. And they're reliant, their livelihood, their family is reliant on this one single source of income. So I urge you to have multiple sources of income in your business. Have front-end sources of income and have back-end sources of income. So on the front end, I'm actually making money. If we go back to step 1, you can see here on screen, I'm actually making money from the Google AdSense program. Google actually pays me to upload content to YouTube because Google owns YouTube. So what'll happen is the Google Ad Network will pay me a cut of the commission because I'm the product creator, I'm the content creator, I guess you could say. And what'll happen is the advertiser that comes in will place an ad over my video. And because Google owns YouTube, they get a cut of the commission and then I get a cut of the commission. So I've done nearly $2,700 or over $2,700 from the YouTube partnership program just from uploading content, just from being a creator. So I made $2,700 from that income stream. And then I did over $22,000 from ClickBank products, promoting digital products in the description of my YouTube videos and also in my email marketing campaign. So what I'm doing is I'm making money on the front end from ad revenue, and then on the back end, I have links in my videos that send people to what's called the sales funnel. They fill out their name and email address, they're added to an email list, then they're exposed to a product. If they don't buy that product on the first time, what they'll do is they'll receive emails of valuable information, then referring them back to the product that I initially recommended. And so I'm making money on the front end. I'm making money, I guess you could say, in the middle from the sales process and the links in my description, and then on the back end from my emails. And then also in my emails, not only am I promoting affiliate products, but I'm promoting my own products too as well. So as you can see, $2,700, over $2,700 from Google AdSense, $22,000 from ClickBank, and then over $6,000 from PayPal from multiple streams of income from other affiliate products that I follow up with people with in my email autoresponder. And then I didn't even add this in there, but I made an extra $1,500 from selling my own products. And this is just front-end revenue from my own products. Okay, there will be rebills. People will pay a certain monthly fee a month, so I'm going to make a lot of money on the back end from that too as well. But a percentage of that $1,500 actually was used for advertising. So not that whole entire $1,500 I made from pure profit, which is why I didn't actually include that in there. So that is the income for the month, over $30,000 in income. I don't say this to brag or to boast, but I really want to inspire each and every one of you guys. I'm documenting my progress on this channel. I want to show you guys what's possible. I'm nobody special. I'm just somebody that decided to believe in myself and take action on those beliefs. The only difference between somebody that's successful and somebody that isn't the fact that they're any smarter. It's that they believe in themselves, and they also believe that the actions that they take are going to produce the results that they want. So with that said, I hope you got value from this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like this video, comment below. I sure hope this inspired you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you want to learn how to build an online business from scratch and get started in affiliate marketing, check out my top recommended system and my Inner Circle program below. And this is Joshua Elder signing off. Until next time, take care. Have a great day.